Hi there. Right now we are going to learn about the temperature and tint in Adobe Premiere Pro. And to learn about the temperature and tint, I want to place this couple in cloud video clip in our timeline. So let me increase the area of timeline, and you know how to do that. You just have to pull this bar at right, then we will have enough space in our timeline. So let's place this couple in cloud video footage in our timeline, and let's place the indication bar at our video footage, and you can take a look. A couple, they're enjoying the view of cloud, and I want to place this video footage once again, and it will help us for compare between before and after. So let me place this once again. Okay, right now I have another video clip of same footage. So we are going to apply the temperature and tint. You will get the temperature and tint inside the basic correction tab. So let me click on this basic correction tab, and this is the temperature and tint. Actually, temperature and tint, it's tools for increasing or decreasing the warmth or coldness of your video footage. So let's start with the temperature and tint. You can take a look. We don't have the actual color of cloud. As you know, the default or the perfect color of cloud is blue, but we don't have the perfect blue color for the cloud in this video footage, and that's why I'm going to use the temperature and tint. So this is the temperature tab, and as I was saying, the temperature and tint is using for warmth or coldness of a video footage. So this is the pointer, and you can take a look. We have two color. So I want to increase the blue color for here. That's why we have to move this temperature pointer at left, as the blue percentage presence at left. And if you want to go for orange color, then you have to increase, or you have to move this pointer at right. So let me show you. As I was saying, I want to use the blue color for this cloud, and that's why I have to move this pointer at left. Okay, cool. You can take a look. We have some blue colors over here. And right now we have 100% or minus 100 point for the temperature, and we have the entire blue effect in the video footage, but it's not really looks good. And if you want to go for warmth, then you have to place this temperature pointer at right. So let me show you. Right now I have plus 100 point, and I have the warmth color for this video footage, but I don't want to go for this 100 point of temperature. I want to go a little, as because I want to place a slight blue color for the video footage. Okay, I think minus 8 points seems good. And if you want to compare between before and after, you just have to place this indication bar at the second video footage. This is the before, this is the after, before, after. So we have a little cloudy effect, and I want to go for the tint, as I want to place some green effect for the mountains or hills. And to do that, you just have to move the tint pointer at left, as we have the green color at left. So let's place the pointer at left a little. Okay, looks good. So let's compare between before and after. This is the before, this is the after, before, after. Okay, now it looks good. So let's make a complete adjustment for the video footage. So let's go for exposure. So as I want to increase the brightness as well, so let me increase the exposure a little. Okay, looks good. And let's go for vibrance and saturation. So here is the creative tab. So let's increase the vibrance, let's increase the saturation. Okay, So now it really looks good. So let's compare between before and after placing vibrance, saturation, exposure, temperature, and tint in this video footage. So right now we have all enabled in our first video footage. So let's compare between before and after. This is the before, after, and you can take a look. There are a huge difference between before and after. In the before, we don't have the proper blue, proper green, or any proper color in this video footage, and after applying the temperature, tint, exposure, vibrance, and saturation, we have a perfect video footage. And this is how you will make some adjustment of video footage using temperature, tint, exposure, vibrance, and saturation. So let's have some practice.